Hello guys, Steve here, ShenRC, and I got a box here, and in this box is the Hornet EVO. Now, will this be the Hornet we all dreamed of? Will this Hornet kick ass like we always wanted it to? We'll have to find out when I build it, but let's take a look in the box, see what it looks like. Oh my, it could be the Hornet. This could be the one, guys. It's like a Christmas present. Oh, check it out. Alright, put this box here on the ground for a shelf. There it is. Now look at that. They adapted the old chassis with the new DTO2 gearbox. Let's open it up. We'll see what's inside. It's a beauty. Oh yeah. 1060 ASE. Awesome. Looks like a regular Hornet body. Strange parts for Hornet. Same battery tray, kind of. Yep, same one. Same driver. Let's open this up. I gotta see what they did to this chassis here. A little bit of tweaks over here. It's a little different. I'll have to see how this goes together. It's a little different. It almost looks the same. Same wheels. A little bit different parts. A lot different parts. A-arms. DTO2 gearbox. Oh boy. More A-arms. Little tidbits here. Tires. Oh, I have to smell them. Oh yeah, they're beauties fresh out of the mint. Yeah. Soft and new. Nice. Let's see what else we got. Instructions. Let's see if they show anything in here. Like on the back. Oh, they don't show finished. I want to see the rear on it. On the front. There it is. So that's how the rear end goes in onto the chassis. Alright. Window masks. Modified Hornet decals. And I guess This is all the metal parts and the gears and stuff. Shocks, oil dampers. Yep. Nice. Oil dampers. 540 motor. Gears. Oil shock bodies. Servo savers. This is all, what's that? Full ball bearings. Nice. Looks like it has full ball bearings. Maybe not in the wheels, I'm not sure, in the front. It's got everything in here, all the metal goodies, screws, body clips and screws, stock old-fashioned bumper, and more shock parts. Well, that's it, guys. I don't know if I'm going to do a build video on this because there's probably a billion of them going to be out. I may just pop the Hornet EVO finished in front of you guys. And also, I don't know, I'm not sure, I don't think I might not do it black because I have 2 black Hornets already, as you know. So I may do something weird with this and special, like a different color. Anyhow, guys, there you have it. Hornet EVO. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, you don't want to miss what it turns out like, and I'll see you guys next time. If you're new watching, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, leave a comment, all that good stuff. It helps the channel out. I'll see you next time. Steve here, Shen RC out with the Hornet EVO Beauty.